TransUnion Identity Theft Protection review. Worried about identity theft? Let's see how TransUnion's protection can help. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today I'll review TransUnion's Identity Theft Protection service so you know if it's right for keeping your credit safe. Step 1. Visit the TransUnion website and explore their identity theft protection plans. Step 2. Choose a plan that fits your needs and budget. Step 3. Sign up and provide your personal information for monitoring. Step 4. TransUnion will monitor your credit files and alert you to suspicious activity. Step 5. If identity theft is detected, TransUnion offers recovery support to help resolve issues. Quick tip: always use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication on your accounts for extra security. Found this helpful? Like, subscribe to Guide with Samuel, and drop a comment if you want more credit tips. Thanks for watching.